This is level 3 tumbling.
Hi, while doing any virtual training, we need to post our disclaimers as any workout video would, basically explaining that we are not liable in case you attempt any of these skills via yourself or spotting someone and someone causes injury or bodily harm. So please pause, read the disclaimer. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is going to be our level 3 video. So we have Avery. Say hi. Hi. She's going to be doing the demonstration for back handsprings, back handspring back tucks, etc., etc. We're also going to do some drills at the back. So we're going to start simple and then get harder and harder. So first we're going to start with standing 3 back handsprings. Notice when she lands, she rebounded. Every single time you land, you want to make sure that you're rebounding hollow up and back, okay? Now, at the end of the level 2 video, the advanced video, we did a back handspring step out, step down, or snap down into a back handspring is what we're going to try now. What we did first is we just did the back walk over, step out, snap down, back handspring. Then we did a back handspring, step out, snap down, back handspring. Now we're going to try to mix those together into a back handspring, step out, snap together into his third back handspring. Let's start over there. She hasn't done this before, so we're giving it a shot. That was not bad. That was her first try, so good job. All right, so that's something you can work on. This is all level 3 stuff, but it's like advanced level 2 stuff. So now we're going to the harder things. Now, we're going to do a back handspring and we're going to rebound. And all we're going to do is rebound hollow and kick your knees in. That's it. So back handspring, rebound and tuck. Don't grab your legs, just keep your arms up hollow and kick your knees in, but don't lean back or you'll fall on your back. That's bad. Make sure you're hollow when you tuck. Got it? Now we're going to do a back handspring, back tuck. Okay, so we have multiple back handsprings. A lot of times when people do standing backs or they're close to a standing back, they think a back handspring back is more difficult. And the only reason it's more difficult is because you're a little scared of it. Because you're transitioning out of a back handspring, and normally out of a back handspring, you do another back handspring when you're doing standing tumbling. So now you're going to be doing a back tuck, so that's why people freak out a little bit. So a back handspring back tuck is easier technically than a back tuck. However, fear factor, a lot of times people think the back tuck is easier. Okay, so we're going to do a standing back. Yeah, you can face it for the standing back. Good job. And now she's going to stand here. You can even move closer. Do standing 2 to a back. Now this should be real easy because the back handspring back, again, that's like kind of jitters. The standing back is easy. And then the 2 to a back is super easy when you're doing standing because it's almost like you're doing a running tumbling pass. By the time you do your second handspring, you have all the power in the world, right? Yes. So back tucks are easy. 2 to a back. Oh. She just let go, but a little prematurely. So that's fine. So we have multiple back handsprings, standing backs, back handspring rebound tucks, standing 2 to a back, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to do front flips. We're just going to learn how to do a front flip. Before we do that, we're going to do something, you know what, I'm going to do that first, let everybody breathe a second. So everyone has beds at home. Now, here's the difficult thing about a bed. This is about the width of a bed, okay? So what I'm going to do to train you to do front flips is you're going to do a front roll over your bed. Now, some of you have beds against the wall, in which case it kind of stinks. But if your bed isn't against the wall, essentially you're just going to try to grab your mattress, you're going to jump, tuck over it, and stand up, okay? If you can run like 2 steps, you can do exactly the same thing. You're going to start here, jump, and stand up. So that's what you're going to be able to do to work on your front flips. Now, to get a little better at your front flips, if you have guts and you can do that, you're going to try to jump and fall to your bottom on your mattress. So you're going to do a flip, but you're just going to land on your back. That's your expectation. You're not going to try to land on your feet on something 2.5 feet higher than the floor. So you jump, same reach, pull your hands in, throw your head in, and you're just going to land on your bottom, okay? that's how you can work on your front flips. Now that Avery's breathed, it's good English, she's going to show you a hard drill. So we have 2 of these hard drills. So one she's going to do a back hamstring front. She can stand on this line so it's closer. So you remember the advanced drill we did from level 2 when we stood from this position and we swung and we jumped to our feet. Got it? So we're going to swing and jump to our feet and do a back handspring. So stand right there. Yeah, squat all the way down. Now remember, this is the harder version. The easy version was your bottom was up. The harder version is your bottom is down. So the easy version, we can start with that. She's going to swing, jump to her feet, do a back handspring. Go ahead. No one saw that. She's going to try it again now. She's getting a little tired. She's been here for about an hour. Lots of tumbling. Got it? A little tough. Okay, so now she's going to try to do the jump from her bottom. Now, she did this easily an hour ago. She just did lots of tumbling for her college tryouts, so she's a little beat. So this is the harder version with your bottom on the floor on your heels. She jump from there. When she jumps and lands, she's going to land in that position and do a back tuck. Just for fun, I'm just going to stand here.
Back tuck?
Yeah. Okay, outstanding. I didn't really need to spot her. I was just there in case she did something stupid. Parents, adults, do not spot your kids on back handspring back tucks, please. If your kid can't do it, don't risk them trying it when you're not comfortable spotting it. The idea and premise behind spotting anything is you should be able to hold that person completely in the air, so if they jump and land on their head, you got them. And if you don't got them, don't spot them. Got it? That's the rule about spotting. If you cannot control the person's weight, if they were to do absolutely nothing but jump and completely open up and freak out, if you're comfortable with that and you can still put them on your feet, then you can spot them. But I would not recommend spotting anything that you've just seen in this video because it's advanced spotting and advanced tumbling. Got it? So I've been coaching for a very long time, so just don't think, oh, it's so easy the way he does it. It is easy the way I do it, but please do not try that. Try one more. We're going to do from the knee. We're going to do back handspring, back tuck. Last one. Pretty tough. Pretty tough. Good job. Thank you. Okay, clap. Okay, so that's our level 3 video. And what we're also going to do is we're going to make another video for level 3 skills you can work on. So this is level 3 tumbling with a couple little drills for the front flip, but then we're going to do level 3 skills. Do you want to do a front flip one time? Sure. Okay, so a front flip, like she's jumping onto the mat, it's kind of the same thing. You're just going to jump and tuck. She can do it. I can do it. It's a front flip. It's relatively easy. So jump like you're going onto the mat and just flip. Yeah, you can take 2 steps. Okay, no one saw that, okay? But essentially, if she were to pretend that she was going onto the mat, it would have been easier. So she's going to try one more. She is tired. Give her a break. Okay, come on. Onto the mat. Jump really high. Use your arms. Flip faster. She's got this. She's got this. She did land it. Of course, out of video. Gosh darn it. We're going to have to try one more, kids. She's going to stand up here and go this way. Okay, this is our last front flip. Again, this is something for your front yard. Do it on the grass. If you land on your butt, it's okay. You land on her butt, it's completely fine. You can, seriously, guys, if you jump and fall on your bottom, you will not get hurt doing a front flip. Everyone has jumped and fallen on their bottom. So front flips are something that's fun, relatively easy to practice. It's not as scary. It is more difficult than a back tuck, but it's a lot less scary. So kids can try these and fall on their bottoms all day long. And Avery's not going to fall on her bottom because she's that good. Okay, come on, bring it. The punch is important. Punch. Good, there it is. And we got it all on video. Outstanding. Okay, so now we're done. That's the front flip. And we'll have drills in the other videos as well. So awesome, thank you.